just remove here. This line is to remove.
Yeah, you removed it. I removed it. So
that one should come here, and the other one will come here. So no need to connect here.
No, you need control.
okay, what is saying that put MOV
No, actually difficult now because this is coming from the vendor.
vendor.
They
How
have,
about control required?
this is controlling as a valve. Regarding the valve, if I bring the valve, the controlling of the valve it should be by the supplier, not me.
Okay, let us note close it here. See, they are saying required. You are saying not required. Then I have one option to review it.
No, I don't want him to put some points that I will face a problem with the factory. The factory, they have standards in the controlling. Sorry, this is coming
Supplier in this case.
Modbus connection directly.
Supplier here.
Okay, we have directly with the
Reject the point from the
some
supplier.
or no. It's finally we have to give to get approval either this supplier or others. So we have more bus connection. So they have the secret control system. They have package. What we are going to do, we'll just integrate it with our SCADA system. All of the controls from their control panel as per their standard.
But Ahmed, I think
So we don't need now to complicate just to add motorized valve.
No.
This is all will be complicated. Now we have
Complicated one. When we added any wall, this is the first time this sludge system.
This is actually required.
no. Required we provide N-1 with a simple way, but you want to complicate this is another idea. We have separate pump with a separate dedicated screw press dehydrator.
The point is that the chairman as well as the designer who has designed the system, he told that this check wall will not work, right? But still you have provided the check wall in your system.